Hey everybody, so I'm on my way to Deka Lash in downtown Denver. I'm going to be getting a full set of lashes done, and I'm going to show you the process if they let me film, which I hope they do. And this is a new location downtown Denver. So let's go ahead and see, because 2018 for me is going to be about doing things I would never usually do, living in the moment. And although yes, I am a mom and I am a wife, I am also a person, so it's going to also be about treating myself. So here we go. You can see my lashes are not naturally very long. They're kind of straight, maybe curve a little bit up. They're very light in color, just because my natural hair color is a light brown.
Go over that and see if anything of that applies to you. So now we are only doing classic, but we're doing one lash to one lash. Getting at your face shape and your eye shape, I'm thinking either the natural shape or the glamour. The natural shape is really just going to stick with the natural shape of your eye. And the glamour one is very similar to the natural shape. The only difference is on the glamour, instead of coming back down and going down to a shorter length on the outer length, it actually just stays longer on the outer. I would probably say natural sweep. I don't want it to like look crazy on top of my cat eyes, so I prefer the natural. How long do they last? So they are semi-permanent. You shed your natural lashes, you shed about 3 a day. So because we're attaching one lash to one lash, they will stay on your natural lashes until your lashes actually shed. But typically, you would need to come in and get like a full set within like 2 to 3 weeks. I mean, not a full set, excuse me, a refill.
He tapes down your lower lashes to get them out of the way, and then they put this, like under eye, not tape, but like a sticky solvent to tape your bottom lashes down onto. And she said there was like a collagen that was in the under eye part too, which is nice. And then they tape the bottom lashes down onto those pads to get them away so they don't accidentally mess with them.
I would say I'd probably start with a 2. 3 millimeters doesn't sound like a lot, but on your eye space it's probably a lot.
Okay, yeah, let's do 2.
Then that way you want to wake up and be like, whoa, what do we do here? So I'm just mapping your eyes.
Face makeup is so smeared right now. Obviously they touch your face when they do it, and I am a cake face when I wear makeup. I love to wear makeup, but you can see already the dramatic difference where my eyelashes are like bam, and I don't even have any eyeliner on the top of my lashes. I just have it on the waterline and a little bit below. It is so dramatically different. This is the one on Quebec Street in I guess you could say technically Denver. Hi everybody, so I'm going to go ahead and do the outro, show you the after shot close-up since I showed you the before shot close-up, what I think about it, is it worth it, and the care instructions that she gave. You shed about 3 eyelashes a day. The average human has about 90 to 120 on one eye. I know, that's a lot. I didn't realize it was that much. So in about 3 weeks, she suggests a fill, or they have what's called an express fill. It's just for those that fall out to add them in. If you're really careful with them, they can last longer. She did give a spoolie. She said you're going to comb them every morning when you wake up to make sure they're nice and straight and they're not janky. She said, I cannot get them wet for the first 48 hours. I can't get them wet because they're curing and they're still bonding, the glue is. So what I did was I bought these Deka Lash makeup remover pads. So she said, if you use Neutrogena removing products, don't, because for some reason that brand, something in it just totally tears the adhesive apart. So she recommended, if you're looking to take off your eye makeup safely, this is the way to go. So these aren't cotton sponges. What they are is like a silicone-y, like squishy material. I'm not even sure really what to call this. It's not cloth, it's not cotton, there's no fibers to it, it's just a flat pad. This is they're designed specifically for eyelash extensions, great for removing eye makeup, including mascara, eyeliner, and eyeshadow. And as far as smell goes, it smells fresh, like linen, like scent. So it's not bad at all. There's no powerful scent to this. Okay, so she gave me a little checklist of do's and don'ts, so I'm gonna go ahead and read those to you too. Don't get your lash extensions wet for 24 hours. She recommended 48. Don't use sauna, steam rooms, or tanning beds for 48 hours. Use cleaners, makeup removers, or moisturizers that contain oil or solvents, and that's a big thing she said. Anything with oils, don't use. Don't rub your eyes or pull off your extensions, or manually curl or perm your extensions. And now this is the do's. Do use Deka Lash coating serum every 3 to 5 days to extend your lash life. She didn't even suggest that to me. I did see in the front they had things for purchase, but she didn't give that to me. So do keep your lash line clean by using the Deka Lash makeup swab. Swabs are little Q-tips. She said those are $10 and this is $12.99. I got these. Do remove makeup with the Deka Lash makeup remover pads specifically formulated for lash extensions, and do rebook now for your eyelash extension fill. So the ones that I got, so right now they're just doing classic, all the way from natural, she said, to like Kim K Glamorous. They're not doing volume, but they're expecting to do volume soon. For the initial full set, leave the link down below so you can check out their website and see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to film this video, and then I'd say in 2 weeks I'm going to do an update and show you how much lashes are left. And I'm going to do everything possible to make sure that these lashes last a long time, because obviously they cost money. So here's a close-up. There's, looking down, you can see just how long they are. They literally look like I have false full set like of a strip lash on. It's just crazy. So just looking into the camera, you can see just how long these are. So I'm not going to talk much more because this video is already going to be very long, especially because it's going to be in a very good quality. I'm filming on our new GoPro Hero 6. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm hoping, let me know by liking this video in the comments below if I should do eyebrow microblading, film it for you guys, and show you the healing process and if it's worth it, because I've wanted to do it for so long now. So if you would be interested in watching it, let me know. From a real hand perspective, a person who's just stepping into it just as new as maybe you are, haven't done it yet, but maybe thinking about it, let me know. All right, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I know this isn't something naturally I would put on our channel, but I figured it was interesting. It's New Year, something fun to do. So I'll see you guys next video.